Hi, if you have existing version of Excel which is 2007, 10, 13 or 16 or Office 365 and if you want to upgrade yourself to 2019 version and you're looking for what are the cool features that we have in the new version, yes, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Varun and this is my channel Exniana. We have a bunch of new enhancements in 2019. We have like new functions, charts, visuals, power pivot enhancements, Power BI, Power Query, and whatnot. In this video, I'm restricting myself to top 4 items, that is functions, charts, visuals, and enhancements. Let's go one by one. What are the new functions? So we have like 6 new functions that is getting added to 2019. That is concat, ifs, maxif, minif, switch, text join. Let's go one by one. What does concat do? Concat is similar to concatenate what we existingly have in the current version of Excel. The good thing about concat is pretty short and it also supports the range references, whereas the concatenate it only gave us the cell references. Ifs. This function allows you to test the condition in the specify the order of the condition you want to have. Right, you can specify the else catch all if none of the condition is met. Is similar to like if it is false. Maxif, this function returns the largest number in the range. Okay, that can be a single criteria or a multiple criteria. Minifs, this works same as a maxifs. It gives the other way around. It's the vice versa of maxif, where it gives the smallest number in a range, either single or with a multiple criteria. Switch, this function evaluates an expression against a list of values in order and returns the first matching results. Just to make a note, it returns the first matching results, and if there is no results, else is returned. Text join. This function combines text from multiple ranges. So the keynote is it is combining the ranges, not the cells, and each item is separated by the delimiter you specify. Let's take my name. I'm Varun Kumar. If I have to concatenate those two with a hyphen, I'll just keep an delimiter as hyphen or slash anything and select the cells. Charts. So we have two new charts that got added, that is a map charts and a funnel chart. What is a map chart? Like using a map chart, you can create a map to compare values and show categories across geographical regions. Use it when you have a geographical region in your data like countries, regions, states, etc. Let's say you have a sales data by region, let's say by country, by state, or by postal code, or by cities. If you have those data, so this is a very good thing. So this function we usually used to have in Tableau, but the good thing is the Excel brought this here. Funnel charts. Funnel chart shows values across multiple stages in a process. For example, you could use a funnel chart to show the number of sales prospects at each stage in a sales pipeline. Right? Typically, the values decrease gradually, allowing the bars to resemble a funnel. So, as you can see on the right hand side, so we had the prospects of 500 and the closed sales is 90. So you can see there is a funnel shape over there. Enhanced visuals, not pretty much to talk about. So we have like 3D visuals that has been getting added to this new version, where you can use a 3D model and rotate it to 360 degrees. Pivot table enhancements. So two new additional things like automatic time grouping and multi-select slicer. Probably you must have seen this in Office 365 as well, but the good thing is this automatic time grouping. This helps you to use a time related fields, like if you have in your data sets, like you have a sales by month, by date, by month, by quarter, by year in your pivot table, and this automatically groups to you and gives you the nice little way. So you can see on the right hand side, probably it's pretty minimized. You can see the image. We can see it's already been grouped. So we have the year broken down into half year and a new first half or a second half, and then you can break it down by quarter, months, and drilling down to the days. Right? Multi-select slicer. You can select multiple items in an Excel slicer on a touch device. This is a change from prior version of Excel where only one item in a slicer could be selected at a time using touch input. Right. You can enter slicer multi-select mode by using a new button located in the slicer label. As you can see this yellow bar. So if you select this, so you will get a multi-select slicer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.